Hi everyone! Kwento ko lang kayo kung anong ginawa ko ng birthday ko. Actually, walang celebration on the day itself. Siyempre may bumabahing sa gilid ko. Anyway. Okay. So I woke up and then nag-jogging ako. And then, ako lang mag-isa nag-jogging. Tapos masaya ako nag-jogging isa. Kasi ganda-ganda ng araw. And then, what else did I do? I had to go to the bank to do some errands for a family thing. And then after that, I went home. And then I did my regular reading, everyday reading ko. And then, I heard, dumating yung my auntie and my lolo visited me sa house namin. So yun, they brought me salad. We just had lunch. Ang lunch namin, sinigang na isda. Sarap. Kasi lahat ng spaghetti inubos ko na nung November 28. And then, my mom and I heard mass. Late pa nga kami actually. Pero masaya pa rin ako kasi at least nakamisa ako. Tapos, yun na, I waited for Maui to do my makeup kasi I had auditions and then racket. So pagka ako ng audition, nakaba ng konti. I did an audition, and then from auditions, diretso sa racket, and then sa racket ko, I had so much fun, because I think I just wanted to really sing on my birthday and enjoy myself by singing the songs that I want to sing. Minsan kasi, some performances, a lot of things are required from you, like what kind of songs the crowd wants to sing. So that time, yesterday, I performed and sang all the songs I wanted to sing and I had a good time. And kinulit ko lang yung banda ko. So, yun. Pagdating ng mga 9:30, inaantok na ang lola nyo. Yun, so that's how I spent my birthday. And I'm just really happy and really thankful for all the blessings. And I'm just happy. A lot of people ask me saan ang celebration, but on the day itself, I was just happy na yun lang ang ginawa ko. I jogged, I auditioned, I worked, and I was happy. Can't stress it enough. So,